Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fill these cracks in the plug and how I prepare this to get ready to mold up. So what I'm going to do first is just take some Bondo and put in these cracks and sand them down. But remember, with the Bondo, you only want to put enough in there just to fill the crack, because remember, the more you put in, the more you have to sand off. So let's get started. And there's the front. I finished putting the Bondo on this plane here. Now I'm just waiting for this to dry, and as soon as this dries, then I'm going to go ahead and sand this down with a 100 grit sandpaper. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray some primer over the top of it and sand it down again. The Bondo is now dry, and I'm going to sand it down with 100 grit sandpaper now. Alright, that's looking good now. That crack is now filled, and now the finished rest of them. Alrighty, now we got this sanded down. I went ahead and sanded the whole thing, sides and everything. So now what I'm going to do is put on a heavy coat of primer. Just spray on a heavy coat of primer, and here we go. I'm spraying pretty close to the plane so I can get a real thick coat of primer on here. And that's it for now. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.